Hi everyone, my name is Ahsan and in today's video we have a very special guest for you guys. We have Jibran from Desi in Wonderland.
Thank you.
Hello and welcome. So Jibran, for the viewers who don't know about you, please let them know a little bit about yourself.
Well, I came to Germany in 2014, October, as a master's student. I studied renewable energy here, and after studying my master's, I started job here. And in 2019, in November, I started a YouTube channel where I make videos about expats living in Germany. And yeah, this was the small introduction.
Okay, so you have this YouTube channel and you have this full-time job. What else have you done or you're planning to do to diversify your income?
Okay. What I started this thing like this YouTube income. When I started getting this YouTube income, I started adding some passive, putting some in some stocks, for example, some cryptocurrency. I didn't add that much money. I only added the money which I can. I would say that even if I lost that money, that's fine.
Okay.
So I added some in stocks. I started from different platforms, and then next this year I'm also like whatever I've saved, I'm starting an e-commerce business in Germany. This would be like the new thing that I'm starting. And another thing which I started, this is also one of the investments that I created like a deals and coupons website. It's called expatdeals.de.
I'll put the link in the description below. You can have a look.
And so this how that's how I'm actually spreading and diversifying my income, that I will get some income from YouTube, some from e-commerce business, some from stocks, some from this website. So then at the end of the day, I will not be only relying on my job. I could get some money from there. Maybe it's not that much now, but maybe in 2 or 3 years or 5 years, I will completely leave my job and then focus on my business or my investments.
Yeah, that's really important because having just one source of income is very unstable. If you are having just a single job, you're earning from it and it's an okay amount most of the times. But for example, if you lose your job, this pandemic has caused a lot of people to lose their jobs. So if you're not properly investing your money, uh, either in stocks, ETFs, cryptocurrency, or investing in a business. For example, me and Jibran, we both have a YouTube channel. We are investing our time and we are growing and developing our business on this YouTube channel. So this is very, very important to have diverse sources where you can earn income passively. Let's talk a little bit more about investing in the stock market. I want to know, as you said, you're a really new investor in the stock market. So what are the fears that you feel? As you said that you're only investing that amount that you are like willing to lose 100%. Why is that? Like, I just want to know a little bit behind that, like the philosophy.
Because I've seen people like they lose their money there. Like when they put some money, like I know that some people like they put, I don't know, 3,000 euros in the amount, and then after that that amount was only 500 euros.
Okay.
So for me, I don't want to lose all my savings. So I only put that amount. That is, even if I lost that amount, that is fine. But I know some people, like there is one person I know that he spent some money, I think in 1 year or 2 years ago, and now whatever he's invested, it is now 30,000 euros.
Okay.
Because of crypto, because of this crypto boom, that the Bitcoin is from 3,000 euros to 50,000 euros.
Yep.
So that's how he is now sitting on 30,000 euros investment, like 30,000 euros amount in total, like with the gains. So that's why for me, I wanted to spend only that much money that I can lose, and also if that money goes up, then I can reinvest that money in the same thing. I don't take out that money.
Okay. So on this point, I want to elaborate a little bit. So with the stock market, the more riskier the investment, the chances are the more profit you can get. But on the other side, there's a larger risk that you are going to lose that money. So in most cases, as I do myself, is that I invest in ETFs, which don't have a really high potential for growth, but they also don't have that high amount of risk that people lose their money. So people who start investing, in my videos you also seen that I always say that for beginners in investing, it's always recommended that they start with ETFs and not look on individual stocks. So as you said, you started an e-commerce business. What does one need Does one need a lot of resources? How can one start their business? Just let's talk a little bit about that.
Okay, businesses in Germany in general, like it depends which type of business you're opening. But if you're having a physical business, like if you wanted to open a shop or supermarket or anything like that, usually you require from 50,000 euros to 150,000 euros or 200,000 euros. So for me, I wanted to go for something that is I can do it with beside my job. I don't want it to just leave my job and then start something else. I wanted to do I wanted to gradually go into this business stuff. So e-commerce business right now, for example, if you do start your Amazon, eBay, or drop shipping or Shopify, these kind of stuff. So the investment is a bit less. You can start your business from 5,000 euros to 15,000 euros or 20,000 euros. That is actually it's not that much amount, and you can actually spend your like your evenings or your weekends on this e-commerce business and still can run that.
Okay.
So for me, I wanted to start something that has less investment, not that much, to have a physical business, and also I can do it besides my job.
Okay.
So that I don't have to be on that business all the time. Like suppose if I open a shop or any consultancy or anything like that, I have to be physically there.
Okay.
So e-commerce business is something that I can do it by sitting at my home, and I don't have to be somewhere, and I can also do it besides my job. That was one of the things that's why I wanted to start this e-commerce business.
So investing in the stock market, there are always risks associated. I wanted to cover a topic that is how to take a loss. As you said that you had a friend who invested in cryptocurrency. Let's talk a little bit more about that.
So like I started also with the cryptocurrency because at that 3 years ago that there was a boom with Bitcoin and XRP and these kind of stuff. So but I when I invested, there was till December. I think there was this boom. You will see everything is green, everything is fine. Then after December 2017, I guess that was the time.
2017.
And then everything starts going down. There's everything is in red, and then I got panicked at that moment. What I did, I sold all my things. But the thing is, the same. I also have a friend who also invested in the same time when I invested, but he didn't take out that money. He just let that stay. He said like, okay, that money is gone now. Like there is no point of actually taking that money out. So he just let that money stay there. And now after 3 years, he is sitting on 30,000 euros capital, and I have nothing.
Okay. So as a lesson, you would say that don't panic sell.
Don't panic sell. This is actually, I think if I would have had that money in my account till now, then I might have more gains as well.
Okay.
So that's the thing I learned in these last 3 years, that you should not panic sell. You should just stay. You should hold. You know, like hold is HO.
Hodl.
Hodl.
Yeah.
HODL.
Hold on for dear life.
Yes. So I would suggest like if you are into the stocks or crypto and stuff like that, then don't just panic sell. You should have good understanding of those things, and you should just stay there. Maybe that thing will boom, and then you will get your money back as well.
So you're a beginner in investing in the stock market. How much money do you have in the stock market, and how much money are you allocating per month, or how are you allocating the money to invest in the stock market?
Okay, until now I have around 1,500 to 2,000 euros invested in the stock. But the thing is, what I wanted to do from this year onwards, that's every month I will add, I don't know, 150 euros, 200 euros, or 100 euros. I will keep adding this much amount. So then maybe by the end of after 5 years or 10 years, these 150 euros or 200 euros will be something. You know, and that investment is just on my side incomes. I'm also getting some percentage on it, like for example, 10% gain or 6% gain per year, something like that. So that 100 euros or 150 euros giving me something. It's not just I'm just wasting that money. So I think, that is one of the amounts that I'm willing to spend per month on stocks.
Okay. So which broker do you use?
Nowadays I'm using eToro for like normal stocks and stuff. Binance for cryptocurrency, and Trade Republic I recently started. So I just wanted to because actually I wanted to move everything from eToro to Trade Republic because it is a better platform, and then in Germany it is much easier with taxes and all the stuff.
Yeah. So I have a video on Trade Republic, how you can open an account with Trade Republic, different taxes about that. And I have a video on Jibran's channel in which we discuss a little bit about different kinds of investments, eToro, the platform itself. Have a look at it after this video. If you're interested about topics which are related to expats, for example, how you can convert your driving license, and what else?
Some other
Yep.
topics like taxes in Germany for students and how to buy a house in Germany, how to I think Ahsan also made a video about
Yep.
how to buy a house in Germany. So
Yep.
I have a different aspect, he has
Yep.
a different aspect. So if you wanted to have some like a general overviews, the problem which experts face in Germany.
Don't forget to go to his channel. Yes. His channel name is Desi in Wonderland. I'll put a link in the description below.
Yes.
So thank you for watching this video. Thank you, Jibran, for coming and making a video with me. And hope to see you in the next video. And until the next video, bleibt gesund.